Hey everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to show you a fast and easy way to get a free $100 Costco promo code. This method is straightforward, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. First, head over to escaponco.com/Costco, or scan the QR code displayed on the video with your smartphone camera to access the site. Once you're on the page, the first step is to enter your email address. This is important because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so make sure you enter it accurately. Next, you'll need to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. It's essential to select the correct option since the process might vary slightly depending on your device. Now, the site will begin generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the fastest ways to get $100 off your next Costco purchase. Your promo code is almost ready, but there's one last step. To verify that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to confirm your identity by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so there's no cost involved. You can choose any 2 apps that are available. There's no need to pick the same ones I'm downloading. If an app doesn't download properly, just pick a third app as a backup. I'm currently downloading my second app, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up. So if that happens, just follow the instructions to ensure the verification process goes smoothly. Once you've used the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Costco promo code should be sitting in your inbox, ready to use. It's really that simple. I'm refreshing my email now, and there it is, my free Costco promo code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm always sharing tips and tricks like this, so stay tuned for more great content.